Claims for damages over alleged phone hacking by Mirror Group newspapers can go ahead, the High Court has ruled. Former England manager Sven-Göran Eriksson and 3 others are suing the publisher of the Mirror and the Sunday Mirror, which has strongly denied the allegations. Our Home Affairs correspondent Andy Davies has this.
For days now, it's all been about the Old Bailey and claims of phone hacking by the News of the World. But this morning, briefly, the limelight shifted to another court across London. Not a criminal court, a civil court in this case, dealing with phone hacking allegations involving the Mirror Group. It publishes the Daily Mirror, Sunday Mirror and The People. A media organisation now facing civil action over claims that people working for them hacked the mobile phones of the former England manager Sven-Göran Eriksson, Gary Flitcroft, once a footballer with Blackburn, Shobna Gulati, the former Coronation Street actress, and Abby Gibson, who used to be a nanny employed by Victoria and David Beckham. Their lawyers allege techniques such as phone hacking or blagging were habitual at the Mirror Group, and that hacking was the most likely source for certain newspaper articles involving their 4 clients. In the case of Sven-Göran Eriksson, it's alleged that voicemails he once left on the presenter Ulrika Jonsson's phone were intercepted. It's also alleged that recordings of those voicemails may have been listened to by Piers Morgan, the former editor of The Mirror, something which he denied in 2011 at the Leveson inquiry.
Did you listen to Ulrika Jonsson's voicemail messages in relation to Sven-Göran Eriksson?
No, I did not.
The Mirror Group wanted the judge to dismiss certain aspects of the case brought by 2 claimants and completely reject the 2 other claims. That of Abby Gibson, who alleges hacking led to an article which falsely stated she'd got abusive calls from her former employer David Beckham, as well as that of Gary Flitcroft, the former Blackburn Rovers captain, who claims a story about an affair he had in 2001 had come from hacking. Today the judge acknowledged there were weaknesses within some of these claims, but rejected the Mirror Group's challenge and said the claims could proceed.
I agree that some significant blows have been landed on Mr. Flitcroft's case, but I do not agree that they have destroyed it to such an extent that his case has no reasonable or real prospects of success. Mr. Flitcroft has a real prospect of establishing that phone hacking played its part. More than that cannot be said, but it is enough.
Trinity Mirror, which owns Mirror Group newspapers, issued a short statement today saying it continued to contest these claims vigorously.